Una, welcome back. Yes, Nasi Dugbunge, Good Morning Naija show. Ebube Agu, yes. Now the new security outfit, or call them the new vigilante group, we don't join the list of territorial vigilante groups across Nigeria. We don't hear Amotekun for the Yorubas, Ebube Agu for the Easterners. For North, we never hear anybody because we know say, let's say these two groups, they fight against one cause and are either banditry or terrorism, whichever term we say you want call them. Okagbola Abbas inside studio here with us this morning. And what makes sense, you know, out of all these security outfits, we say every region don't they form to protect their own territory. Okagbola, thank you so much. Say you stay with us inside studio this particular morning. So make I just ask, what do you make of this new move? When Amotekun being come out, of course, it was widely celebrated. So there's some members for the State Assembly self wear the uniform self show. For East now, we don't get Ebube Agu, aka Mercy of a Lion. I never sure say lion gets Mercy. But what do you make of this?
The Hall of the Tiger. Make I tell you too. The politics will surround how Amotekun take be and the trick where the federal government take make Amotekun become impotent, you know, give me any reason to celebrate the fact say Ebube Agu don't come to be.
Okay.
You know why I know they too enamored?
All right.
They say the federal government deliberately they use in powers to frustrate the effectiveness of these entities.
Okay. How?
Not be after them form Amotekun for Southwest. Not be him. Some people they come raid parts of Oyo and Ogun State. Not be after them form Amotekun. Nigerians for southwestern part of Nigeria, they go shop refugee for Benin Republic. No be after they form, no be after hours after they say they won't form a Ebube Agu. Some people they show them as a result of the madness what they go do for one village now or some villages kill people. This federal government no mean make security day Nigeria.
Why you think so? What in be plan?
No be fact person they take talk. Na idea life na idea. This morning you woke up. This morning my sister you go inside bathroom. This morning you finish inside bathroom. You look fit enough for the role where you want there. My sister, if you suppose that me no go happen, na action. No be action. You take do all those things. It don't me where I dey from the time Federal Minister for Justice and Attorney General of Federation came out to say the move for Amotekun was illegal. Now me don't know. Look, anything where presidency won't do, where no go well for the progress of this country. Now Attorney General they go make talk. Look, you want make I tell you my major my own opinion why Ebube Agu come to be?
Yeah, why do you think so?
It is just a surrender note of the Nigerian government when they no expect the kind terrorism where just they manifest for East now just to placate people in the East. I'm telling you. And who then they use? Then they use their servants in chiefs in the state to say they never refused this one before.
Wait, so you the feel now say Ebube Agu as he comes not really get true intentions.
Amotekun will come before and get it. Amotekun will come before him.
Meaning say no impact really.
I said things they was. I said now after they form Amotekun, Nigerians they go shop refugee. I don't say they go shop refugee for Germany. I don't say they go shop refugee for Britain. I don't say they go shop refugee for America. They go shop refugee for Benin Republic. Benin Republic, the total economy of Benin Republic, you know, Richmond Land Lagos.
So you feel say this security outfit, this website does they spring up from different areas? Now more federal government doing than state governments doing.
Federal government no even want allow anything in the southeast before, but when they were beaten to it by the eastern, waiting with the ESN, when they were beaten to it, and it became obvious that the federal government na giant of clay security wise for southeast when then they go inside, when some I don't support them. When some criminal elements or terroristic elements, they take fight, go prison, go the open prison. They take fight, go police headquarters. They go to shop police headquarters. Vice President of Federal Republic of Nigeria come. He can't talk against them rightfully as somebody should talk against criminality. You know what they do? Less than 2 hours after he come out, they go face another division police HQ. So federal government just go remember the thing wey Southeast governors don dey ask for almost 2 years now. Federal government just can't remember say they can go ahead.
But again, people will say and go talk say this thing they very predictable. I mean, we don't already see the papers this morning of waiting to happen for Ebonyi. I mean, they read the account of one of the women who being escaped or rather survived the last attack. And the statement she make, it was published in the papers. Say then tell and say, now so then go they attack every state and every state governor when open mouth talks, so they don't go allow open grazing. You know,
not be only after that. Yeah. The people, the criminal elements, where the federal government they caught, they allow they come inside Aso Rock. Those criminal elements, where they move largely, they don't. What if they won't talk again? They attempted to kill a governor. One where they confess say him be amongst them. He writes say na them plan am. They don't arrest anybody. They never arrest anybody now. Then say some of their leaders go talk say any state.
So you feel so bottom line, if you say this security outfit that is set up, it's more politically motivated.
This security outfit for they useful if the federal government allow them to do one thing. Waiting be the role of security anywhere in the world. He go get image and instrument of deterrence. Ebubeaghu, like Amotekun before it, well, let me get you. Allow him get gone.
Well, let me get you very clear. So let me get very clear. Now, Ebubeaghu now just set up new, right? We never see where government try to quash this, or we don't say government try to quash ESN by sending the military on what will happen.
Ebubeaghu to come. You don't get the thing we are talking about.
Okay, so now government and I say made them form Ebubeaghu this time.
They don't refuse them before now.
And you
how come they allow them now?
And you feel say that
after breaking of prison, after attacking police HQ.
So are you saying now that government supports the fact that, you know, you go day better, make them bring some kind of local security outfit to tackle the issue? Or you still want in the same breath talk, say government will allow Ebubeaghu come, go still stand in the way of Ebubeaghu to stop them from doing what they need to do?
I thank God say you read book well. The thing where Oyinbo people they call dissimulation. You know the thing where Oyinbo people they call dissimulation? I could give you impression, say, you know, I don't care
I show working, but the real sense is something happening.
I go give you body like this, you go, I go leg ball go like this. This federal government, I tell you, it don't dey obvious. For security, because of the contradictions where some principal elements of this federal government get for security, they don't mean well for Nigeria. If you take me go infrastructure, I go say for the 16 years where PDP make money, they no do per naira per dollar. They no do reach waiting this government they do for infrastructure. But for security, this government know me well. I could say if I sit before President Muhammadu Buhari, I go say the only regret where I regret can be for in 2015. Now, if I know say the act we get towards Nigeria, now just to open up Nigerians for the killing. People come from as far as Mali, from as far as Senegal, come down to come raid us. And the Nigerian government will find a way of justifying their own killings. And when Nigerians want to protect themselves, the Nigerian government will do everything to deny them of the basics what they need to secure themselves. That is the fate of Ebubeaghu in the backdrop of the fate of the reality of Amotekun.
All right. So, whether intentions are true or not, what's the end game of this? What do you see this leading to at the end of the day? Because right now, you see the bubble, they come up. Where do you see this?
I pray say somebody go get the sobriety of spirit to know say when you push goat reach wall, something go happen. Because the way they go now, in almost all the parts of Nigeria, including the home state of the president. And that is how compromised this thing is, how shocking it is, including the state of the president. About 4 local government areas now for Katsina, people, they go sleep for Niger Republic, can't do business during the day for Katsina. You know why they go sleep for Niger Republic? Because of security. Banditry, they raid. And you just wonder what kind of a human being would even allow that vulnerability to enter in own house.
All right, so Okagbola Oba. A very disturbing matter. This kind of people say if you go finish and go, you even yourself, more question mark, now in the past answer on top Nigeria security matter. According to you, this local security outfits where they come out, their intentions they true. Then get waiting they need to do the work when they do, or not just say then just they form them to take calm people mind down. Meanwhile, the thing when they happen, still they happen. Blessing, the more you look, the less you see. And the more you see, the less you understand. Now they play for this matter.
In fact, that's the summary of the two we are coming.
All right. Well, fingers crossed, we're going to pray, make government really look into the security matter, because as they hear the numbers of people say that they die every day, you know, the too sweet person belly. Say person day this kind of area where we say we cool. We could ask yourself, say, wasn't they really stop them from to near here?
What can be cool? What can be cool? Where, as we speak now, if road good, how many times be the distance from here to Agbara? If you don't enter Agbara from behind Agbara now, in a colony of people where we say, then they even brandish. So what
brandish with Okada?
Okada with guns. You know, see pictures. So what? We all there vulnerable. My sister, no fool yourself. I beg, make you pray. Say you know go get situation where be say your motor go break down. Go break down, say, on the 10-kilometer bridge between MFM and Baga. Because underneath, there's a... Look, anywhere where you go say, a subterranean community of people where they say, how can a society be? People no get ID, sleep anyhow, carry arms. I say 10-kilometer bridge, Ibafo to Baga, that 10-kilometer bridge after MFM. If your motor break down there, you better just go naked. Make the waka they talk to yourself. Make them think say you be mad person. Because a general of the Nigerian army don't die there. They kill and there. Na tire punch your inget. And you know they alone. On top, a general, he rose to become general in Nigerian army. The best way we talk. What happened?
All right, Okagbola Oba there, and don't give us the breakdown on top what's in the happen for our security situation. What's supposed to make us worry and also hope, and rather speak up, make government do what they're supposed to do. Okagbola Oba, a public affairs analyst. A pleasure to have you on the show.